My name is Ayorinde Augustine. I'm a participant in the AI Vibe Coding Hackathon. One of the major crises in our education system is examination malpractice. Most time, examination malpractice is a sign that students are feeling overwhelmed, they are feeling unsupported, and they are feeling very desperate to pass the examination. At all times, students have access to their study notes or study materials, but do not understand the entire concept of their notes. And there is no tutor that will be available 247 to teach them the entire concept of their notes. That is why I built the Studi.io, which is an AI study companion that allows students to learn effectively by uploading their notes to this app and uses AI to understand the entire concept of their notes. This helps students to study smarter and to ace the examination. Unlike other LLM models like ChatGPT, Geminis that also has similar features, the AI system in this app is built only to provide academic content. It does not engage in any interaction that is not based on academic purposes. I have included the FAQ section that allows first-time users to have a better understanding of this app. The main important features in this app include the My Library, the Study Room, Quiz Arena. As I proceed with my presentation, I will explain these features in details. Now, to explore the functionalities in this app, the first thing I will have to do is to sign in or to click on this Get Started Free button. I'm going to sign in. For a first-time user, you can click on Sign Up here, fill in your details, your password, and then you can create your account. And because I've signed in already, I'll just input my details. As you can see, I'm in already. Now, the first thing we're going to have is our dashboard. Now, our dashboard gives us a quick glance of our recent engagements with the app. As you can see, it says, I have uploaded 5 documents before. I have attempted 6 quizzes, and I'm on a 2 day study streak. So what we have here is a quick glance of my previous engagements with the app. As you can see, these are my recent documents that I've uploaded, and these are my recent quizzes. Now, I'm going to click on the first feature we have here is our My Library features. Now, in My Library, here students or users can upload their study notes permanently. In the My Library, students get to upload their study materials or their lecture notes, and it accepted their lecture notes in various formats, either in PDF or in Word documents. And the lecture notes uploaded here remain permanent. That is, even when they logged out of the web app, they will still have access to their materials when they've logged in back. So, for instance, these are the previous documents that I have uploaded. I will try to upload another document. I'm a student of electronic and electrical engineering, so I'll be uploading another document. As you can see, it says uploading. As you can see, it says uploaded successfully. Now, this is the document that I have just uploaded. Now, the next thing I'll do is to go into the study room. Documents uploaded in the library will automatically reflect in the study room. As you can see, this is the document that I have just uploaded. Now, I will try to click on this document. Let's say I want to interact with my AI based on this document. Now, this part of the screen is where the documents will be previewed. That is, it's going to load the documents for me. Let me close this sidebar. A very powerful feature in this study room is the AI assistant. As you can see, this is a document that I have just uploaded. So a very powerful features in this study room is the AI assistant, and it's divided into 2 main sections. We have the tutor chat and the visual studio. The tutor chat allows me to chat with the AI based on the documents that I have just uploaded. For instance, if I click on this generate summary, it's going to give me a summary of the documents that I have just uploaded. As you can see. Now, if I do not want to read the response, I can click on this AI voice so that the AI itself will read out its response for me.
I would be happy to help you break down the main points of this document.
Now, because of our
Based on
time,
the material in
I'm going to stop
EE
the
504
voice.
excerpt.
Now, users can also use this voice chat to talk directly to the AI in case they do not want to type. Now, whatever I'm saying will automatically be written down here, as you can see. Now, I'm going to stop that because of our time. Now, the second section in this AI assistant is the Visual Studio, whereby the AI gives visual concepts of the material. For instance, I can ask the AI to describe, generate a visualized concept of a fuse. Now, The visualization is in different formats. It can be either in a flowchart, mind map, realistic, or cartoon. But I'm going to make use of realistic. Now, as you can see, I've asked the AI to generate a visualized concept of a fuse, and look at the image the AI generated. Remember, the materials I uploaded is based on electrical installation. That also talks about fuse. As you can see in the materials, we have cartridge fuse, a wireable fuse, and so on. Now, you can see the visualized concept that the AI generated based on the documents that I have given the AI. Now, another powerful features is the video generation. The AI can also generate an explanatory video based on the documents that I have uploaded. But because of our time, I won't be able to do that because it takes a longer time for it to generate some videos. Now, these are the features we have in the study room. Now, I'm going to go to the next features in my sidebar. The next features is the quiz arena, whereby the AI generates random quizzes based on the documents uploaded. For instance, I will select that same document that I uploaded, and this slider here allows me um to get different number of quizzes. For instance, let's say I want to have 5 quizzes. I will set it to 5 quizzes, then I'll click on generate quiz. As you can see, the quiz have been generated. Now, because of our time, I'll just select random answers. As you can see, it generates different quizzes, and I'll click on submit. And at the end of the quiz, the AI will evaluate my performance, providing my both mistakes and the corrected answers. Now, the next feature is the flashcard, whereby the AI generates different flashcards based on the documents I've uploaded. For instance, also this slider here will determine the number of flashcards that I want to get. Let's say I want to get 10 flashcards. I'll click on generate flashcard. As you can see, 10 flashcards has been created. Then I'll click on study. As you can see, these are different flashcards. Now, to reveal their answers, I'll just click on the tab to reveal and it will show me the answer. So I can go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one. I believe we all know how flashcards work. They are actually without options. So to see the correct answer, you can just click on the screen and it will slide over to the answer. So these are different flashcards. Now, another features in this web app is the study goals. The study goals allows students or users to keep track of their learning process and also ensure that the students have a solid performance at the end of the examination. For instance, these are different goals in the study goals. Now, the first goal says to read and study 3 different documents. The other one says to review 50 flashcards. The other one says to have a study time of 120 minutes. Now, a very good thing is that um, once these goals are being achieved, they are automatically updated in the study goal. For instance, if I go into the study room and read one document, it will automatically reflect in the study goal. And I can also create a new goal here. Let's say I want to attempt 500 quizzes. 500 quizzes. I don't have much time. So I'll click on create goal and it will automatically be created. As you can see, attempt 500 quizzes. So this ensures that students remain focused and they have a very solid performance at the end of the examination. Now, the next feature is the study groups. Now, the study groups allow students to collaborate with their peers, with their classmates. It ensures that students come together and challenge one another. They ask questions from one another. They share their notes, their lecture materials, and so on. For instance, these are the study groups that I have created. Now, each study groups is assigned with its own share link and a code. If I to share this link with my colleague, they will have access to the groups. Let me enter this group and you can see how it looks like. For instance, this is a study group that I named Exam Ready. I can chat with my colleagues. We can ask questions brainstorm, and also challenge one another. I can also decide to create another study groups. Let me create another study groups. Now I will call it biology club. Now don't forget, I said each group is assigned with its own link and code. If I share this link to my colleagues, they will have access to my groups. And also, if I share this code with them, they can use this code by clicking on this join group and they will input the code. Once they input the code, they will have access to the groups. And this allows us to collaborate with one another, to challenge one another, ask questions from one another, and also brainstorm on a particular lecture note. And the analytics here gives students a review. It allows students to see their learning journey or their learning process. For instance, I've been using this for the past 2 days and it shows that I'm on a 2 days streak. I have 4 study sessions. My average quiz score is 20% and I have uploaded 5 documents. So this progress analytics allows students to keep track of their learning process. By this, students can predict how far they have been doing. They can predict their performance. Now, a very important feature is that students get to be notified about their study groups and study reminder. They can either receive, okay, for now, we have only set it to an email notification. So they can receive email notification about their study groups and their study streak. Thank you very much.